Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to set up Google Gemini on TCL NxtPaper 7e Pro. To set up Google Gemini, you can just open the Gemini app that comes pre-installed. If it didn't come pre-installed, then I'll show you in a moment how to install it. Now, it may get you through a few steps of the setup. In my case, it is already set up. But I'll show you what the steps would look like. So if I had opened Gemini, then it would get me through this button. I would click on Use Gemini, and sometimes that's it. And sometimes it would ask you for setting up Hey Google. But I'll show you how to do it in a moment. First, let's see how to download the Gemini app. So go to the Play Store on your phone, then go to the search section and search for Gemini. Then you will have an install button. In my case, it's already installed, so I have the open button. Now, you can set up different ways to trigger the Gemini, because you don't have to open the app in order to use it. You can also press and hold on the button on the side of your phone in order to open Gemini. I'll close it for now, but that's how you can do it. And you can enable or disable that by going to the settings of your phone. Then in the settings of your phone, there will be an option that I don't really remember where it was. Okay, it's going to be here. In advanced features in the settings, there's power key, long press power key, and you can set it to power menu. So when I press and hold, it will open the power off menu. But I can also set it to digital assistant. And then I can press and hold to open Gemini, or press on power and volume up to open the good old power menu. You can change the long press duration as well, and that's one of the methods. The other method is to set up Hey Google, which will automatically open Gemini by you saying Hey Google or OK Google out loud, which will trigger it without you needing to press on any buttons. So let's do it. Let's go to Gemini, then click on the sidebar on the left side, then click on the settings in the bottom right corner. Now you should be able to, well, I don't think that it's available here. Where is it? If I click on, if I click on the settings, then there's Talk to Gemini Hands Free, and I'll set it up. But first, I'll click on Manage Voice Match. That feature will, well, if I turn it off, it will remove my my previously recorded voice, so it won't know my voice. So I can set it up again to show you how the full process will look like. When I enable it, it's going to load for a moment, then I can click on turn on, and now it'll ask me to set up voice match. So if I do it, then it will recognize my voice only. And to do it, you need to click on I agree and then say 4 phrases that will be shown on the screen out loud. Okay, Google, help me write the thank you note. Okay, Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Hey, Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now it has learned my voice because I said these 4 phrases. So now it will react to my voice. So when I say something like, Hey Google, yeah, you can see it starts, but let's try to ask it something to demonstrate how it works. Hey Google, give me a chocolate cake recipe.
Is a classic, easy chocolate cake recipe.
And as you can see, it has given me the recipe. Later, I can find it in the app, in the Gemini app. If I go to the app, slide from the left to right, I'll find it in the recents. And I can ask following questions, of course. So, like for example, when it says I need to, let's see for how long 30 to 35 minutes. Let's say I have a strong oven and 30 will be fine for sure. Then I can just say something like set a timer for 30 minutes. And then I can send it. And as you can see, it starts the timer. It is connecting to like my phone's settings, and the timer is now probably active. Yeah, as you can see right here, I can click on it. It opens it. I'll close it for now. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.